Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess. If you're new, hi. I'm Jess. I'm super excited today. I'm doing a collaboration with a couple of friends that I've met here as well as on Instagram. This is where it all started. I'm doing a collaboration with my friend Isabel, the Color of Beauty by Isabel, Barbara, and 2realchicks. I will link them all down below. You guys are going to be thinking, what the, Jess? If you're here in Australia, we're in the middle of winter. I know, but the girls that I'm doing the collab with are in America. They're in summer. We're doing our favorite summer look. So that's what I'm doing today for you guys. I miss summer. I don't miss the heat though, to be honest. And it's a good chance for me to play around with makeup so that my makeup does not slide off during the heat. Let's be real, I hate that when that happens. And yeah, I'm gonna do like a makeup look that I would try to wear in summer if I could. So yeah, my version of a summer makeup in the depths of winter. Let's get started. Here we are. Not going to aim that much with the frames. I've played up my camera tripod situation a little bit. Let me know if you guys like it. Also, I'm rugged up for winter. I'm not dressing for the theme of summer. It'd be way too cold. I've already primed with my favourite illuminating e.l.f. primer. Done my eyebrows to the best of my abilities. You guys know I suck balls with eyebrows. It's a thing. I'm going to do my eyes first with BYS Peach palette because I thought that would be a fun summery option. Drugstore is my fave. You guys know that. I need a mirror. So yeah, I'm going to use this as my mirror. I sound a little bit snuffly at the moment. I'm hoping I'm not getting sick, which would be kind of ironic because I'm doing this as a summer collab in winter. The struggle is real. But anywho, these are the gorgeous colours. Should I do a warm tone look? Yeah, I should. I don't know if that was rhetorical or not, but whatever. I know. I'm going to go in with that one on my platinum eyeshadow brush. I love these brushes so friggin' much. You can get them from Woolies. They're one of my favourite drugstore brushes. I've got a couple of these, so look at how that blends. Hoping it picks up on camera. Like, I do have a couple of these, like that's the eye contour one, that's the eyeshadow one, or eyeshadow packing brush, and that's the base one. I really like them. They're good. I get them when they're on special. This colour is so pretty. I haven't actually set my base, which I normally do. I'm doing the opposite of what I normally do, I know. Into that same colour again, just a little bit more. Like, look how beautifully it picks up on the brush. Stamping it on the lid or crease kind of area. I know. Bugger all about makeup. I'm not an MUA. I just like playing with makeup. So currently where we are at, going good. I'm going to take a little bit of that colour. A little bit of colour. So pretty. It's kind of like a watermelon colour. small in my crease. That shadow right there on the brush there. Maybelline Superstay foundation, the new one, relatively new one that I love. It is really, really good. Alright, my favourite way of blending it out is with an oval brush. This is one by Designer Brands by DB. Or I use a kabuki brush depending on the mood, but either or. I love the coverage of this foundation. It is so good. A little bit more. And then to powder, favorite powder as of late, you guys might know, is the Designer Brands by DB one. I just find it really, really good. Especially as I've got oily skin, and as this is meant to be a summer look, I bet this would be an awesome powder to use in the summer. We're going to do the lower lashes. That's what we're doing, lower lashes. I don't know why I forgot that step because I was just talking about that before. Connect it. Try not to stab myself in the eye with the brush because I always somehow manage to try and do that. I love how that just like ties in the look. Highlighting the inner corner and brow bone because that's always really important to me. I'm going to use my Models Prefer Make Me Blush palette. Ignore how the packaging looks. That shade, the goldy shade, sticking it in the corner of my eye. Take that shade. Good. Okay. Give it away. Oh, that's better. The Essence Instant Volume Boost and Mascara. Contour with this little baby, and I'm trying to find my contouring brush. Gotta get that double chin because I've been eating all the carbs, but that's what I do. Might add a little bit more bronzer. Might even add, because it is a beach look, summer look after all, the Savvy by DB bronzer. This one. There we go. Better. I don't know if that blush actually really showed up, so we're going to try the Essence Bury Me Up. A bit better. And then for lips, we are going to Designer Brands by DB in Blushing Rose, I think. I think. Might add a little bit of glossy gloss to it, I think. This is just one by Fifth Avenue. Just the whole look, just the Kmart setting spray. So you guys, this is basically the finished look. I do hope the lighting has been okay. The day has been very gloomy here in Melbourne. We are in winter, as I said. So gloomy weather and filming. When I'm doing a DIY lighting setup, it's a little bit tricky, so bear with me. I do the best that I can. So yeah, I try. But I do hope you enjoyed. Please check out my friends' videos. They're lovely women. And check me out on Instagram. I'm posting daily. I do Insta story. Check me out on Snapchat. I do the same. And yeah, I will see you guys soon in another video. Bye.